Anna, come and see. There are marks on Professor Kinski's neck also.
These marks?
Yes, Anna. These are the same marks we found on Ulla. Professor Kinski has also been murdered.
But why?
That is something we must find out. Let's inspect his luggage. I can't open it. It has a strange lock.
Let me try. Great! I found a coin.
Have you found anything, Anna?
It is all very messy, as if someone was looking for something in a hurry.
Yes, I'm sure it has been tampered with.
And look at the coin I found. It is very unusual.
I've never seen anything like this.
Anna, could you show it to Professor Clark? He might know something about it.
What is his research interest?
Oh, Professor Clark, he's one of the brightest archaeologists of our time. He is studying the Indian occult. And if anyone knows anything about this coin, it will be him.
What do you think, Walter?
I'm pretty sure both Ulla and Professor Kinski were murdered. I just don't know why.
The killer is among us. Due to the snowstorm, nobody could enter or leave the hotel.
I agree.
So, who do you suspect?
Dr. Hartman looks suspicious to me. Think about it. When Ulla was killed, he was also missing. When we went looking for him, he wasn't in his room.
But Ulla was killed on the second floor, and Dr. Hartman could not go up the stairs in his wheelchair.
What if this is just a cover-up?
Dr. Hartman looks very suspicious. We should keep an eye on him.
I agree.
Agreed.
Good morning, Anna. Breakfast is ready.
Good morning. I'm coming. Good morning, gentlemen. Sorry for the delay.
Good morning, dear. That's perfectly all right.
Professor Clark, I have been told you study ancient Indian religions.
I am very proud to be considered an expert in my field.
Can you?
So many breakthroughs have been made in recent years, and the general public is not even aware of them. These matters are of the greatest importance. Take Vedism, for example. Do you know anything about Vedism, Anna?
To be honest, no.
Ah, you see?
And what is so important about Vedism?
Well, let me put it this way. On my last expedition to northern India and Tibet, I found something of great power. A recipe for an ancient Vedic ritual drink, which was lost for thousands of years.
And what is so exciting about the recipe?
As they say in Rig Veda, we have drunk Soma and become immortal. We have attained the light the gods discovered.
I don't understand.
Immortality! I have discovered immortality in a drink, Mr. Peterson. At least, that is what the ancient scripts claim.
And does it actually work?
I don't know yet, but a new breakthrough could change everything.
Blasphemy! I don't believe in any of these tales. They are myths and nothing else.
I am not trying to convince anyone of anything, but this might be one of the greatest discoveries of all time. Let me show you. Anna, could you please fetch me some alcohol?
Look in the cupboard, Anna. There should be some there.
All right. Great! I found some alcohol.
Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to witness is extraordinary. Behold the beauty of Soma. Anna, pour some alcohol onto the tablet and set it on fire. Now, Anna, pour the alcohol onto the tablet and set it alight. But nothing has happened. Ah, yes. My memory plays games with me sometimes. We need a special Hindu coin, and I don't think I'll find it quickly.
I think I have one.
Where did you get it?
It's a long story. Should I put it there?
Please do.
Look, I think this will work. Let me try. There.
Ah, did you see that?
What is so amusing, Professor Clark?
Are we immortal?
No, no. Oh, no. I haven't yet figured out where to get all of the ingredients for Soma. But wasn't it magnificent?
Very nice, Professor.
Oh, such entertainment.
Exciting.
Thanks. Thank you.
Dr. Hartman, what do you think of Soma?
As I've already said, Otto, I don't believe in it.
Do you think it could have helped Professor Kinski and Ulla yesterday? Professor Clark, can Soma resurrect the dead?
It is hard to say, to be honest.
So now Professor Kinski and Ulla are dead. It will not help them. I see.
What do you mean, Otto?
Did they die of natural causes or were they killed?
It looks as if they both died of a heart attack.
But what do you think?
I don't know.
Dr. Hartman, where were you yesterday when Ulla was killed?
I was looking around.
Where exactly?
Is this an interrogation?
Can you answer my question?
I need to go to the bathroom. If you'll excuse me.
A most interesting individual.
Don't be so hard on him, Otto.
But why will he not tell us where he was yesterday?
Relax, Otto. His actions may be innocent, eh?
What do you mean, Fatherland?
Never mind. It's between me and Otto.
All right, meine Damen und Herren, breakfast is over. I hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you, Otto.
What are your plans for today, Anna?
I think I will go for a walk. I just need to get a scarf from my room.
Be careful, Anna. Dr. Hartman has been looking suspiciously at you.
I will, Otto.